Volkswagen Golf R, one of the most desirable hot hatches on the road. But this one's a little bit different. One, the colour is called Tumeric Yellow, which is a special metallic gold colour which works beautifully well on top of the black wheels and black styling. It's then got panoramic glass sunroof, reversing camera, so it's got key features that people want. It's priced on the money, £25,763. But, you know, it's winter now, it's four-wheel drive, 4Motion, DSG gearbox, 5-door, so it's practical as well, but it's got that four-wheel drive and that 300 brake horsepower. The front, you can see, you've got these beautiful xenons, but then the colour with the inserts in high gloss black all works really well. It's got sensors built in as well as the camera. The wheels, 5-spoke, high gloss black. You've then got the skirts, the black mirrors, so it all breaks it up beautifully. Panoramic roof, massive key feature on a Golf. Very important, this car's a 2018 model year, so it's the facelift R as well. So they changed things like sweeping indicators. It's the newer model, new generation facelift car. Big rear diffuser finished in high gloss black, and then you've got them quad pipes at the back. It just looks beautiful, and I think just over £25,000. Golf Rs in general, used cars are holding the value very well, but Golfs are renowned to hold the money, but ours again are even more up there as well for retaining the value. Getting inside now, you've got illuminated kick plates, you've got flat bottom Golf R steering wheel, and I'm going to start the car. Full digital clocks as well, very important, so that's differences with a facelift model. Multifunctional steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, heated seats. You've then got your DSG automatic gearbox with your paddle shifts, all the different driving modes to which you can adjust. I touched on it earlier. Reversing camera, again, key extra. And then the big one, sliding panoramic sunroof. Other things, you know, you get a half Alcantara, so you get the R Performance seats inside, automatic lights, automatic wipers, navigation, DAB, all the apps. But yeah, great key features. The colour for me sets it off from other cars and other models, just makes it stand out. Sliding sunroof, DSG, reverse camera, they are massive options when people are deciding whether to go for a Golf or not. They're the things that people want. Has it got the sunroof? Has it got the reverse camera? You can see the practical, you've got plenty of space in the back as well for your rear passengers. And when I show you the boot as well, you'll see, you know, you get a decent boot space, so, you know, it appeals to so many different people. On top of that, you've got four-wheel drive and 300 brake horsepower. Great boot space as well. And you can see now, you know, them lovely LED strip lights. It's just a good looking car. It's all been serviced throughout its life. It's going live. We will sell this car instantly, trust me. £25,763. Be quick.